move to the font. So as you have seen, this is where you change the fonts, but before you change the font you have to highlight the document. Then you go to the font style and change it to something. I'll change to Jiria now. Font size, you choose it. You can, if you know any fonts, you can just type it here. Once it is highlighted, I will type Times New Roman and it will take effect. And I can go here, highlight this number and type any number that I want, 60. Okay. Now, here is the bold italics. Let me bold this. Or you press Ctrl B to bold it. Italics. You can press this, or you type Ctrl I to italize the text. Now the underline, Ctrl U, will underline your text. So now if you want to strike through a document, first of all you have to highlight it. Then look at this sign, this button here. So once I click on this, it will strike through my document. In form of, if you are doing something like promo, you don't want to, a particular product has have been sold for 1,000. You want to tell people that you are not selling for 500. You can cancel the 1,000, write 500. So that is it. Now we are coming out from this. Now this one, let me go up so that you will understand this one. I will use, this is not increasing font size. So I actually wanted to talk about the subscript and superscript, not the increasing of font size. So actually this one here, you use it if you don't want to select a particular number that you want to do something with. So here you can type anything. Once you highlight it, you use this one to increase it. You use this one to decrease it. Instead of typing the font size here. Okay, let's move to the superscript, subscript, and superscript. Here, when you have something like X, let me increase it so that we'll be seeing it. I'll use this. So, raised to power 2. Now I can type my 2. This is called superscript, and you have to turn it off for you to write something again. Okay, I will turn it off. I will give space times. I'm going to use asterisk as my times here. X again. And increase it. Okay. Now I will activate my superscript and I will type 3. And I will remove my superscript. Now equal to 15. So something like this equation. Now you use superscript